Okay, hello and welcome to Cabot Media. Sorry, I'm recording this one rather than going live because I'm particularly busy. This is the competition results, so the dance-off competition. So you can hear the music in the background, you can see the weird animations in the background as well. These are the ones I could get into Blender anyway. Other ones had slight issues or file issues anyway, as you can imagine. It was probably a bit ambitious, this, and we didn't have that many entries. We had a few, which is good. But not an excessive amount, so you can see them all here. It's quite fun, really. I did have a lot of fun looking at these and putting them in, because when they're all in, they're sort of moving across the scene. In fact, let's go full screen on that. Let's just check that you can see. Yeah, there we go. There they are, having some fun there. There's some weird little rat here as well. Love it. It's exceptional. I think we've done a particularly good job on this, because I was way too ambitious with the whole idea of bringing separate files in, and then I suddenly realised, oh hang on, they're not looped, and it was awful. And I only had the music, I don't know, 1 week into the competition, so not particularly well organised for me, but that's the main thing about this, is having some fun, trying things out and experimenting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up the Discord. Where are you? Oh, there is Discord. And just have a quick look at different people's efforts. I'll turn my music off now. I think that'd be a good idea. Pause that. And so, it's all gone quiet. And let's have a quick look from K Burger. And they've got their rat here. Oh, where's the sound gone? Maybe this one didn't have sound. Did it have sound? I've got the sound up, so this one obviously didn't have sound. It's a very quiet disco, but some nice lighting in this disco. So some fun there with this rat on the disco floor. I like it. So that's K Burger. Then we got Morgan. Morgan, I couldn't get your file. Remember, when you're sharing Google Drive stuff, you've got to make sure the other person can access it. Not that it matters too much in this case. We've got a sort of Cinderella version here. I'll turn the sound up a little bit there. So this is interesting, because using shape keys, because the dress, so it does sort of extend out, and then the texture changes as well, so it's quite clever. So keeping to that 20,000 limit on the vertex count, or was it face count? I can't remember now, but one of the two. Not a huge amount of difference there, but there's nice animation there. I particularly like the shape keys and the adaptation with the textures. The animation was a little bit stiff, but it's a hard thing to do, animation, definitely. Really nice work there. Then we got Navi Robot. So we've seen the tree in our Blender scene here. There he is. Or she. It's a she, actually, looking at the lips. There we go. There she is. And let's have a play of this then in its full glory. Oh, that's a bit loud, that one. Oh yes, loving it. I like the lighting in this one particularly. It didn't come across very well in my Blender file. That's looking cool, isn't it? I'm assuming it looped there. I can't remember. No, it actually sort of jumps back. That's the one thing I would say for a few of these is try and get your animations looping. So think about the end frame being the same as your beginning frame. Other way around, but you know what I mean. Now this one, this is just delicious, isn't it, from Frapzone? It always does an excellent job. Look at this. I'm assuming it's rotoscoped in Breeze Pencil, so rotoscope is when you sort of draw around a character, because it's so crisp and clean in terms of the movement. It's got that sort of very natural feel. So looking really nice there. It's exceptional, isn't it? And you can actually tell because it's not flat against the floor, because it's been filmed from slightly up, so you don't worry. It's probably rotoscoped. Let me know, Frapzone, if you rotoscoped and how you did this, but it looks great, doesn't it? It looks really nice and very popular one there. Look at all those things. Then we got Chill. So yeah, given the try count, that's good as well, isn't it? Very professional. Have a look at this one. Oh, this one's a loud one as well. Oh, it's very short, yeah, so can I loop this in here? I can't seem to right click, so no, I can't. But yeah, looking cool. I like the fog effect, quite fun. I would always say when you're animating, even if the bottom of the character doesn't move much at all and you don't want it to, still have a very slight bit of movement, because it just looks very unnatural if the feet are completely planted to the floor. So just a tiny bit of movement. I know you probably didn't want to animate a whole dance routine with the feet as well, but just a tiny bit of movement helps out to make it look a bit more natural. We've seen Jose Aravin. I'm trying to think which one that was in here. Was it this one? I think it's this one. Pretty sure it's this one. There we go. It's looking good though. Do apologise if I got that confused. Don't think I have though. Yeah, it's good fun. I like the movement. I had to try and make that one loop, but we got there in the end. It's great fun, aren't they? Okay, let's get back to, where are we? I've lost my Discord. I always forget I can't seem to get the icon in my head for Discord for some reason. Always searching for it and it's right in front of me. Okay, this one's from Griff, and click on the brown stand to start the animation. Yeah, I think it's started automatically for me actually anyway. So using, what is it, WebGL or something, isn't it? Yeah, but you've probably seen some of Griff's stuff before. I can bring that across. So, I do have to click. Oh, I've lost percent. Oh no, it's just turned off. And I can move around this. This is great, isn't it? And it's on the internet. That's what I love about this. I mean, this technology, in a sense, or technology, has been around for a while, but it's nice to see it in use and people sort of creating 3D models that you can move around and all over your browser. Just amazing. It looks a little bit like, I don't know, I was going to say it looks like a Mixamo animation, but I'm not sure it is because the hands aren't moving at all. But it is, yeah, the feet look. I don't know, tricky to say. Did you animate this, Griff? Maybe you did actually. I mean, it's very decent. It doesn't actually look, when I now look at it, it doesn't look like a Mixamo animation because it's a little bit stiff. Yeah, loving it. Well done. Then we've got Adrenor, Dancing Dude. Now this is this guy here, this funny character, just here. Look at him. So I like the way he dances on his afro. That's quite special, really. The glasses are a little bit weird because they come off and then they fly back onto his face. And oh no, they just reappear back on his face. This is interesting because they did. I think on your original file they appeared back on his face and now they sort of. Oh well. I would say he's a little bit sort of square, so maybe do a much reduced poly and then add a subdivision surface modifier to it. Hopefully that made sense how I described that. Probably not. Okay, where are we? Where's Discord again? There we are. Okay, and then we've got Raymond, is that right? And I'm trying to remember which one this one is. Oh, there we go. We got a video for this one, so we can just watch it through here. Which is going to come up here. Oh, this is this one, yeah. So this was it wasn't really a dance, so it's just sort of animated to music. So this is quite a cool, fun technique to do in Blender, where you make things move to the waveforms. So that's quite cool. I think, trying to think who does tutorials on that. I'm sure maybe Southern Shotty, Ducky probably does some as well, so check out their videos if you want things to move to the music waveforms. Cool stuff. And I like your little animation at the end there. Then we got Omcar25, and we'll see it in a bit more detail here. So it's pretty much a walk cycle that they turned into a dance. It's sort of an awkward dance with no arm movement. Very interesting. I like the character, it's good fun. And it's sort of interesting, it's sort of doing a bit of a moonwalk there. I like it. So nice one there. And Griff we've already had, haven't we? Just because for the voting we had an animated thingamajig there. Okay, so for the results then, if you vote using the links in the description, hopefully that's running across the screen at the bottom there. And yeah, so vote for your favourite. Hopefully I haven't missed anybody out. That would be a bit of a killer, wouldn't it? But I'm pretty sure I haven't. I did show this one, didn't I? Oh, that's the tree. Yep, that's all right. That's the tree. Just got to make sure I haven't missed anybody, because there's no one watching to tell me I've missed people. So I think we're there. That's right, isn't it? Yep. Make sure you voted. Links in the description for that, and I'll announce the winner in a couple of, probably tomorrow. I suppose I'll count the votes up tomorrow and then announce the winner. That'd be a good idea. Tuesday tomorrow, isn't it? Well, bank holiday Monday. There we go. Yep. Sorry I couldn't do this live. Just very busy at the moment. Doing lots of doing work for Atlas Empires and doing some new courses and all these sort of different things. So lots of fun, but pretty hectic and busy. So I needed to do a quick one today. Hope you don't mind, and hope it's justified your work here. Well done to everybody that's got involved. Particularly impressed with all of them actually, but Crap Zones was fantastic. I thought, wherever that's gone. Where has that gone? I keep going past it, don't I? Oh, there we go. I think that's probably my favourite, so I'll use that as an outro. Okay, so thanks for watching, and next competition. I might have to give it a month's break because of how busy I am. But if anybody comes up with any ideas, maybe I'll take a look and see if we can't put something together. Okay, so I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.